This is a Stylus sent all the way from Hong Kong. You can open this with one hand as well. I'm sorry. Put my inhaler in there. This is such a mess. Okay. So this came with it. They sent a calendar / business card. For you to rate them. We'll see how the product works. This is a Samsung Stylus. Snapping everything around. Some cardboard. More cardboard. And they actually send you 2 stylus. This is the one I care for. Therefore, we're simple one we're gonna open first. Skip them off. Show them. Okay. Soft tip. I don't really care for this stylus, but if you want to, you can plug this into your headphone output and carry it around with you. I won't. And here's the touch pen stylus. It's like the one that they give you for the Samsung Note, I believe. Yep. Pretty much it. Made in China. Ugly fingers, I'm sorry. Just a little grip right there. That's it. Okay, bye.